Merry Christmas and happy holidays. It's so exciting. All right, we're going to talk about some products that I think every homeowner or home seller should have. Great gift ideas for the holiday season. Now, all of these products are going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. And no, I'm not trying to be an Amazon girl, but a lot of you have requested that I do this video. Now, all these products I use myself. I love every single one of them. All right, and I'm going to go super fast because we all got to get out there and go shopping. All right, let's get to it. We're going to start with bedding. Amazon basic sheets right here, under 20 bucks. It's a must have. Now I buy all those fancy sheets and I cannot get the smell of my son. He was hormonal, right? The kids, and I don't know what it is about kids, but they smell, or maybe you have some older people, or maybe you just have smelly people. All I can tell you is this does not absorb the smell when you go to wash it. I don't care how many times I would wash my son's sheets. It still did not get the smell out, and I got a speed clean that can get everything out. These little guys do not absorb the smell. If you are selling your home, these are very reasonable. They don't wrinkle, so I let this thing sit overnight in the dryer. That's why it's not folded. And you can see they're not even wrinkled. You don't even have to steam it. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is the deal of the century. Love it. Would buy these over and over and over again. I'm a fan. When I'm preparing some of my homes for sale, I always like to put really basic, neutral bed coverings. And so one of the duvets that I use is out of this material. This smells like my son. It's actually the pillow. I know a lot of you are going to be like, Audra, you're going to get in trouble with your son. They never watch my videos anyway. But obviously it does absorb the smell. So get the sheets and maybe you can minimize some of this. But it's a great fabric. It's kind of like I said, a muslin fabric. It steams out really quickly. It's easy to wash. It's relatively inexpensive. The other one I use is the Hotel Collection. I'll link it up here as well. I just love them. Now, I'm going to tell you, I steam all my sheets and all of my bed linens when I'm putting the house for sale, especially for those pictures. This is my favorite steamer. Now, I've been through probably 20 steamers because I steam so much. This is the Black & Decker. Now, they have a new model. I'll link it down below, but this is amazing. It's powerful. In fact, let's plug it in. I want to show you. Turn it on. Oh, woo! Can you see that? Look how powerful that little guy is. Now, the key is you got to use distilled water. Distilled water. This is like snow. Merry Christmas! I love this thing. Since we're still on bedding, my all-time favorite pillow sham is this guy. Okay, yes, it needs to be steamed. I just took it out of the dryer. But you see how it has dual piping? I love this. Fairly reasonable. I'll link it down below, but I literally buy these in bulk. Like, it's so stinking pretty. So if you were to buy that duvet hotel set, they have their own pillow shams, and then I use this on top of it. So I usually use 2 sets. This is so stinking pretty and it steams beautifully. I have lots of linens, lots of sheets because I stage a lot of my homes and this has saved my life. So these are little elastic bands that you put around your sheets so you know they're queen, or I use them for my duvets. So you open up your cabinet and you know right where to go to. I'm telling you, I saw this on some YouTube gal that was selling these things. I'm like, oh, that's the dumbest thing. I'll try it. Oh my gosh. I love these things. Great little gift ideas. It helps organize your area where you keep your linens. Whenever I go to sell the house, this happens every time. There's plastic water bottles all over the house, or the gym jugs, and everybody's trying to get hydrated, which is a great idea, but they leave it all around the house and it does not photograph well and it does not show well when I'm presenting your home. And by the way, all the houses I've ever sold, I never see these little guys in any of them, and they're called water carafes or crafts. So in my primary bedroom, I have 2 of these. One's filled with mouthwash. The other one's filled with purified water. And you just, take the little lid off, pour it, take your vitamins, whatever. Okay. Way classier than having your plastic water bottle out there. I have this little guy on my nightstand in my primary bedroom. Kind of has grandma vibes, but you guys all know I'm kind of like a grandma almost. But, same thing. You just kind of off you go in the middle of the night when you get that cotton mouth. Okay. These are way pretty. I love them. They're classy. Don't leave your water bottles out. I'll get mad at you. The next one might seem silly, but when you're going to sell your home, having a really tidy closet it's good, right? People think that you're taking good care of your clothes and your closets and your cupboards, then probably the rest of the house has been well maintained. So this is what I use for my boots to make it look really tidy in my closet. Because if you all have those really tall boots and they flap over and it takes up a lot of space. It looks messy. These are boot shapers, okay? Plastic, turn around, stick them in there. Now, I've gone through a ton of different varieties. This is by far the least expensive and the most effective, okay? Great little gift. Good little stocking stuffer. Go get your closets tidy. Okay, are you noticing how cute I am today? You probably can't see, but I'm in a really cute little velvet dress. I've had this dress for 5 years. I'm wearing it for the first time today. Today is Sunday, and yes, I'm going off to an open house because I'm going to celebrate my own holiday party because I never get invited to holiday parties anymore. Because I don't have any friends, because I'm not a good friend. I'm too busy working. I'm serious. All you are my friends. So any of you that live around me, which by the way, I'm in Orange County, California. Any of you viewers out there, if you're having a holiday party, invite me. I want to have some eggnog, mistletoe, some presents. All right. But by the way, my favorite present so far this year, and y'all know what I'm going to do because I'm being very obnoxious about it, is my YouTube plaque. I got you 100,000 subscribers. So excited. Couldn't do it without you. So please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any comments or recommendations for future topics. All right, let's get back into it. If you're selling your home, more than likely your realtor ain't going to do this. So you should. And that is put your visitors on notice. Oopsie. You should also hire a realtor that knows up from down. But you put them on notice, letting them know they're being watched. You have security cameras. And for some of you are like, well, we don't have security cameras. Put it up anyway. It puts them on good behavior. It puts them on notice, okay? You want to place this in a prominent location. You can put it even on your front door. You can put it in the window. You want to put it in the kitchen so they know they're being watched. The other one that I use is this little guy when I'm doing open houses. I'm letting every visitor know that I'm requiring them to sign in. If they don't want to sign in, they don't get access to the property. Why in the world are we letting somebody in that we don't even know who they are? Now, a lot of you are going to ask, oh, what about a driver's license? Should we ask for that? That's a little too much. If they're willing to sign in, I just tell them, hey, we got your fingerprints, so we know where to go. The other thing that's good is that you wanted to get a notice that if you have any step downs, you might want to say, beware of the steps. So I'm going to show you my laminator now. Here's my laminator. It's by Scotch. I love this thing. I use it all the time. Here are the lamination strips. You just stick your piece of paper in there and you put it in there and it laminates it. By the way, you might want to get another notice that says, hey, seller is accepting no lowball offers. I love this. I've had this now for 3 years and it's still going strong. This is a great gift. For you bookworms out there, 2 books I highly recommend. First one is Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. I did an entire video on it. I will link that video that I did down below. Now, I have a lot of realtors actually watching this show. And for you realtors out there, and for all you homeowners out there that are putting their house on the market, I highly suggest that you read this book. It's called Sell It Like Sarant by Ryan Sarant. I love this book. And it's not just about selling real estate. It's just about being a professional in any field that you're in. Okay, y'all know how much I love my power washer. And if you're going to sell your house, you want to make sure there's no mold or fungus, bacteria, stains on your property. So, I've gotten a lot of use out of my power washer. I'll link the one that I purchased down below. But there was a gentleman who's been watching my channel. He was a former realtor in Indiana. He was one of the top producers. He's recently moved to Florida. And Patrick, if you're watching this, we got to connect. This recommendation was amazing. He used to work in Lowe's part-time in the garden section. He said, hey, Audra, there's this product. I'll put it on the screen for you. Wet and Forget Outdoor. Now, I just use this product on one of my clients' properties because I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't want to power wash it. It's way too much work. And so what you do is you dilute it, you spray it on. You don't even have to wash it. And it completely gets rid of all the mold and fungus that was on this driveway. Love, love, love this product. It's now one of my favorite products of choice. Once again, on the screen, Patrick, thank you so much for that recommendation. All right, another great gift idea is your battery organizational system here. I love this. It's a great gift. And it comes with a battery tester. So you stick your little battery on there and it'll let you know if it's running low or not. The reason why this is a great gift if you're owning a home is because you get to keep on top of it. And I tell you, as soon as you go to sell your house, things aren't going to be working. So test your remotes, make sure the batteries are charged, CO detectors, smoke detectors, make sure they're all working. This is a lovely gift. Everyone that I've ever given this gift to is like, wow, this is awesome. You'll have it forever. Y'all should have one CO detector on each floor of the home. The one I use is this little guy here. You just plug it low on the wall. You're good to go. Now, most appraisers will not complete their report unless they have one of these on each floor and they have the proper smoke detectors in place as well. Now, a lot of you tell me, oh, we got a smoke and CO detectors on our ceiling. Okay. And how do you know? So there's usually like 2 little speaker marks, indentations on the detector. If you only have one, that's smoke. If you have two, it's CO and smoke. Now, the problem with having your CO detector at the ceiling is by the time the CO gets to the ceiling, guess what? You're dead. So you put these little guys down low on the wall, okay? One on each floor. This is the one that I use. Yep, passes the test every time. Okay, this next section is my tools section, and I literally have all this in my car 24/7 because I use it so often. The number one most used gadget that I have in my car is the water pressure gauge, okay? I literally put it on the hose bib, turn it on, and it should be between 60 and 80 PSI. Before you make an offer on a house, buy one of these. They're reasonable, and make sure the water pressure is in reasonable limits, because this is one of the things that you cannot change if the water pressure from the street into the house is low. Buy one of these, great little gifts. And if you are a homeowner, you should be checking your water pressure consistently. If it's too high, more than likely your water pressure regulator is broken. Yep, and you don't want any burst pipes. My second most used gadget is my moisture meter, or actually a moisture gauge. And you just set this thing against a cabinet wall, a floor, and it will read the moisture. Now, if you're selling your home, I highly suggest you go under all your sinks, especially near those dishwashers, anywhere there's any water, even like the washer and dryer area. You won't believe what kind of reading that you can pick up, and it's better to get ahead of it. And if you're a homeowner, it's good to have this just for maintenance reasons. This is a great gift. I love this gadget. Love it. Let's talk about the EMF detector. So this detects EMF. I wasn't a believer until this year. It's good to check if you have power lines near you. Go walk around your house, or if you're thinking about purchasing a home, grab this little guy. You walk around, we already know the microwave's going to go off, but what I was surprised about is where my desk is in my home office, there's an up and down button for my desk, so it, retracts, and that thing was bright red. So really good if you're buying a house, if you're even living in a home, go around your house, use this little guy. I'm telling you, it will tell you things you didn't even realize that were, I don't know if it's toxic or we'll just say hazardous. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. Great gift idea. If you're a homeowner or a home seller, really good idea to buy this little guy. This is a gas leak detector. Just the other day, I was in my kitchen. I'm like, I smell gas. And my son and husband were like, oh, there she goes again. Her and her smells. But I pulled this little gadget out, turned it on, and lo and behold, one of my areas on my cooktop was leaking. So I had it corrected. Great little device to go walk around your house if you're looking to sell your home and you're smelling something weird. Check your barbecues too. Great little device, great gift. The Fluke. Now, this is a great gift idea. So if you're selling your home, or even if you're just maintaining your home, you need to make sure your circuit breaker board is labeled properly. So how this works is you take this little guy, you plug it in an outlet, you go out to your circuit breaker board, and you run your little wand down the circuit breaker board. And when it gets to the right circuit breaker, it will turn green. So you know that where this is plugged in is that circuit board is located on that panel. I love, love, love this. The other thing is you can take this little guy, plug it in all your outlets to make sure your outlets are grounded. Love this. One of my favorite tools this year. During the holiday season, we buy a lot of these little guys for our families. This is my little dog, Olive. Oh, look in the camera. There she is. Look, she just woke up from her nap. I know, Mark, see, I did this just for you. Okay, so if you're going to buy one of these for your family, here you go, little Olive, then I highly suggest you buy one of these. And that is a black light, okay? So what you do is you flash this on the carpets. You know if your dog or pet had an accident. And if you're buying a property, I would say buy this as well. Go around, make sure cats aren't doing something, dogs aren't doing something. Always good to know where those are. Check the curtains too. You won't believe how many dogs and pets do nasty things on the curtains. I love fragrance. I know it could probably kill me. And I know a lot of you out there just hate the smell of fragrances. And I hear you. But also, I'm telling you right now, some of the smells that I come across in homes are far worse than anything I've ever smelled. This is what I use. This is one of my favorite candles. Yes, it smells like a brothel house. For those of you who know the story, you're laughing right now. I will link down below a video where I tell the story about this candle. It's very, very, very potent. Now, when I'm showing a house or during an open house, I never leave this running the entire time. What I usually do is I get to the property about 30 minutes before. I light this candle for about 10 minutes. It gets rid of all the nasty smells, and I open up the windows. I love, love, love this candle. I have it sitting in my office. Yes, I know it's probably toxic, but I love it. The other thing is, look at these, how pretty these are. These are matches. I found these matches on some other YouTube gal's recommendation. You take the matches out, see right there, and then you have a little thing that you can scratch it to spark it, and it's just super cute. I think it's a great little decorative idea, a great little gift idea, and y'all know about this guy too. So little candle lighter. Can you see that? See how just light the candle? Yeah, super cool. Great gift ideas. All right, not that you asked, but my go-to cleaning product is Meyer's Clean Day. My favorite fragrance is the peony fragrance. I know a lot of you don't like fragrance. There's some that come unscented, but you won't believe how well this thing works, and it leaves a home smelling very nice and clean. In case you didn't want to use my brothel candle. Love this product. Okay, I'm leaving this one to the last because it is by far the most expensive, and it's a little extra, I'm not going to lie. And that is the DJI Pocket 3. Okay, this is like a gimbal. It's a recording device. You have a little chip you put in here and you get a record. And the cool thing is the camera switches back and forth. The quality is incredible. Your camera is right here. So you can just do everything right here. What you don't realize is when I'm doing all my YouTube videos, I'm recording on my cell phone. I don't have professional equipment. So if I need to go take a call in the middle of recording something, I can. It's super disruptive. I love this thing. You're going to see a lot more video from me on my shorts and my TikToks. So for you realtors out there that want to take shorts of some of the properties you're selling, highly recommend that you get this. I've never seen anything like it. It is so convenient. And for you homeowners out there, this is a great investment as far as documenting the condition of your home. And for insurance purposes, you literally should be going around taking footage of everything that's in your home. God forbid there be any type of major disaster, whether it be fire, flood, whatever. You need to have documentation of what is on your property, okay? Now, it doesn't have to be this fancy, but I've used a lot of devices in my career, especially on YouTube. This, by far, is the easiest thing I've ever used. Now, y'all know that I have major problems with my microphones, and this is probably the best microphone set that I've used. It's by DJI, and they obviously coordinate very easily. So I know this is very expensive, but for you realtors, homeowners out there that are looking for a little extra something and you don't know what to get, this is an amazing product. I am in love. That's a wrap. And don't forget to invite me to your holiday parties because I'm lonely. I want to have some fun. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below with any other holiday items or gift ideas that you may have. Have a wonderful holiday season, and thank you so much for a fantastic 2025.